Alright, we back, man. Yo, look, this one gonna be a little different than what we usually do. Now, ever since I started the channel, y'all know why I started the channel. I started the channel pretty much just to bridge the gap of music and culture in between the UK and America. But mad people in the comments always ask me, yo, have you ever been to London? Have you ever been to London? Now, the people that know me, they know, you know what I mean? They know I've been to London mad times, you know what I mean? Like, I pretty much know London a little bit now. I've been there so much. But for all my new people, you know what I mean, that just met International Ferg and not that, you know what I mean? I want to pretty much put a video out, take y'all on a journey with me, you know what I mean? One of my favorite trips to London, you know what I mean? It was a family trip. Ain't nothing like going on a family trip too, you know what I mean? Family trip, all my cousins, you know what I mean? Super spontaneous. Yeah, man, we hit everywhere. I ain't gonna lie, man, hit all the dope clubs, the tourist spots they want to hit. Y'all know I don't really mess with the tourist spots. Some of them even met some little Hackney and Shepherd Bush chicks. Now they got some little international joints that they can, you know what I mean, hit on the WhatsApp when they get back. But without further ado, man, let's get to this video.
So the gang is here.
Hey, we gonna take some swag right here, or what we gonna do?
Hey, we gonna do all of that.
Like, if you look like swag, we need to take right here.
Hey. Hey, that's when you gotta unzip. You need to unzip now. You gotta unzip.
Right now. I gotta blind the world real quick.
Alright, now look, I've been on private jets before, I ain't even gonna lie, but I don't be on them all the time like this, you know what I mean? I'm from the hood. The difference is this time, you know what I mean, is going across the Atlantic. I ain't never been on no jet going across the Atlantic, and yo, it's just a feeling, you know what I mean, being with your loved ones, going from New York to the UK. I used to always see Dame, you know what I mean, Dame Dash, for the people that don't know, shout out Dame, you know what I mean? I used to see Dame, he used to always go out to Paris, go out to London, take Kanye, take Hov, and as a kid just watching it, you know what I mean, it was always like a dream. But back to this day, you know what I mean? Yo, so look, I was mad tired because everybody was up. We partied the night before, so I knew I was just going to sleep the whole trip. But when I got on the plane, I was like, nah, I'm going to sleep when I get back to New York. You know what I mean? I'm up this whole trip. Alright, so immediately as I got on the jet, I seen this jet was fire. Anything you want, they had it. You know what I mean? You want to eat unhealthy, they got everything there for you. They had the M&Ms, the Snickers, Starburst, all that. You know what I mean? You want to eat healthy, they got everything there. The grapes, the fruits, pineapples, granolas, etc. You know what I mean? So that's Rome right there. You know what I mean? Everybody came on the trip. It was 7 of us. So you had Trev, you had me, you had Rome, you had Foot, you had Boo Boo, had Smooth, and Big Red. And don't mind him in the back, man. He trying to do that dance that, you know, the dance that went viral, the Flaws joint. I don't know. That's what it looked like to me. You know what I mean?
Your bag is back there.
Oh, it's right here? Oh, hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah.
Yo, this go back, right?
Yeah.
How much box? Oh, right here. Which box?
Go back.
Oh, yeah, it's lean back. Where's the box at? Put.
Keep going back.
How do I leave it?
Keep going, open the door.
How do you lean that back like this?
You ain't get no sleep last night, huh? Hey, Goose, let me see.
Lovely, thank you.
They pass all of them up. Whoever. So she can knock it off.
Where there is that? You gave yours already?
Lovely, thank you. Lovely, thank you so much.
Thank you. Are you snapping and saving the video?
Yeah, that's it.
I didn't. I'm on half. I need to low key get up son.
I like the way you charge my shit late in the game.
This should tell you about this.
Thank you.
Let's check the crew and we can go. Can I check the crew?
Yes, ma'am.
See snakes in the plane.
Is like this plane going back now, or they?
Nah, stay here. They gonna stay with us.
Oh, okay.
That's
Okay, no worries. What I do is
Shit.
Just chill for 5 days, dog. Where y'all gonna go?
Oh, he was like,
She was cracking like that. I just thought she was like a little bit with it.
Right. I was like,
we can get off.
I should have had her in the bag. Hey guys, whenever you guys ready.
Oh, hand me my bag. Thank you. Hey, it's kind of cold out here, huh?
Oh my God.
In London, we here, man, so we landed, you know what I mean? Your boy's feeling like a rock star, you know what I mean? But first thing I did immediately start hitting my contacts, yo, what's going on tonight, you know what I mean? We got to make sure, you know, I was going to set up the itinerary for everybody just because I know, like, mad people out there and all that. But we had to go through TSA, knock out all that. Everybody was still lightweight drunk from being on the plane, you know what I mean? Drinking on the plane the whole ride. But we knocked out TSA real quick, then it was time to hit the hotel.
That you need to sign it and your occupation, and then give that to the, and then I'm just doing.
Where do we sign?
So you're all here for 5 days.
Yes. Vacation.
So the ride to the hotel, I ain't gonna lie, man. In y'all words, it was a sticky one, mate. Yo, I never fly into Luton. This was the first time ever. You know, I always fly into Heathrow. But it was probably like 40 minutes. All I wanted to do was take a nap once I got to the hotel. You know what I mean? Man, I'm going to keep it real with y'all. This is one of the most player fly hotel suites I've ever seen in my life. I done been to mad hotel suites. I done stayed in them. I done been to parties. Yo, this joint is mad different. Now, this couch right here, this joint spins. Not really my thing. I get dizzy and all that, but I could imagine what people be doing on a spinning couch. You know what I mean? Seem like some real player shit, you know? Just the way everything decorated, though, was mad fly. Got the panoramic views of the whole city. You know what I mean? So you can see everywhere. Every major, you know what I mean, like tourist attraction you can really see from this room. If you look over here, you know what I mean, this artwork, this piece, that joint kind of sum up the trip for me, because that's a piece that I always think about when I think of this trip. You know what I mean? I thought that was like a fly artwork. Definitely would want one of them joints in the crib. But let me show y'all outside too. So outside, we got from the famous Top Boy, you know what I mean? The London Eye. Every time I see the London Eye, I think of the first Top Boy. That was my first introduction to the London Eye. You know, other people might have been introduced to it watching Mr. Bean or something like that. Mine was watching Top Boy, you know what I mean? But definitely got to show y'all this artwork one more time, man. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know who made this joint. This is my joint. I rock with it. Now, for all my people that love liquor, gotta show y'all this mini bar. This mini bar is crazy. Ain't nothing mini about it. But got everything you need in there. You know what I mean? Cool TV. Y'all already know what that's for. So we left the hotel, man. Now we in the streets trying to find something, you know what I mean? Now, the only thing was open was a strip club. Cats, I'm going to tell y'all like this. I'm used to strip clubs in America, so that strip club was trash. I don't know if y'all like it, but that strip club was trash. You know what I mean? We hit there, and we hit the casino, and I could not get a lemonade that had any sugar in it. I ain't even going to lie, man. I kept ordering lemonade, and they kept giving me like water and lemon with no sugar. But we leave the casino, man, and that was the end of the first night.
Out here in London, bro. Looking for the fucking food.
It's food right here. Play the one. It's like food. Give me a lighter.
I got the fucking lighter, Derek.
They reckless out here, yo. What the fuck? Give me a fucking lighter, yo.
No, I like it.
Right here, right here, right here.
I'm black.
Right here. Give me a lighter. That shit don't even fucking work. What the fuck you doing? That shit don't work.
Shut the fuck up, bitch.
Who you talking to?
What the fuck are you talking to?
Who you talking to like
What
that?
language is? What language
Why
is
you
this?
talking to me like that?
I don't
Have
know.
some fucking manners.
Come on.
I don't know what language. I think it's Spanish.
Man, give me the fucking lighter, yo. Let me show you how to do this shit. You don't know what the fuck
Or they gonna
you
get the
doing.
lighter on or not?
Give me the fucking lighter.
Actually, don't know what the fuck.
Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you.
Yeah, have you got good hands? Good hands?
I don't want to battle. I just want the
Hey,
lighter.
yo.
Yo.
You got good hands?
No.
You have to feel it. Feel the lighter.
Work now. He's still trying to get a light. Oh, I think he got one now. Oh, he got one.
Alright, next day, man, I ain't gonna lie, we all slept the whole day. Now, you gotta remember, we still lightweight jet lag, we still lightweight tired, but we had to hit the club. So the club that was cracking that night was Tape. This was my first time ever going to Tape. Now, I'm gonna tell y'all like this, Tape is probably a club I've been to that probably had more women than any club I've ever been to. You know what I mean? Everybody was saying, yo, it's mad chicks in here, but all these chicks, like, they was like 18, you know what I mean? So you don't know, you know, chicks get in the club out there 18. So how I'm looking at it is like, in America, chick get in the club 21. So that means if she's coming in with a fake ID, she coming in at like 19, 18. So the scary thing about London and clubs like Tape, the chicks is coming in with the fake ID. If they only 18, you know, with the ID, you know what I mean? How old are they without? So, you know, it was lightweight scary, but music was dope. Kind of Americanized, kind of remind me of like an American club, you know what I mean? But dope club, y'all definitely check out Tape, man. Definitely check IDs when y'all get there, you know what I mean? So we left probably like 5, you know what I mean? Club was lit all the way through. Then we was back to the hotel. So Tape was dope. We probably left Tape probably like 6 p.m. Yo, so I hit my man Josiah. He was like, yo, don't trip, I'm hook y'all up with a section or whatever. We ended up getting a little section. Now the music was fire. Definitely, the club reminds me of like One Oak. If you ever been to like One Oak in New York or One Oak in LA, pretty similar. Play mad like American music, pretty much the music that's on the radio and all that. But the DJ was fire too, you know what I mean? Had another dude, he was hyping up the crowd. That was fire also, you know what I mean? Everybody had a good time. Everybody also agreed Tape was one of the dopest clubs they've been to. So when we left Tape, we went to VQ's. If y'all never been to VQ's, that's the after hour spot. The food is fire there. Definitely check it out. All right, next day, woke up, hit mad tourist spots. You know, that's what they want to do. I hate going to tourist spots, man. Been there too much. But hit them spots, and we went to a club called The Box. Maybe the best club I've been to ever, you know what I mean? Now, I don't have no videos from The Box. Can't have your phone in there, you know what I mean? Can't show nothing. But dope club if y'all ever been to The Box Soho. If y'all never been there, definitely check it out. Other than that, man, following day, rest. Make sure we hit Nando's real quick for the people that ain't never been to Nando's. I ain't even know Nando's was a chain. I thought Nando's was just a London thing, you know what I mean? So I'm taking them to Nando's, and some people like, yo, they Googling it like, yo, we got one in America, you know what I mean?
Oh, you saw the class?
Nope.
Smooth with him? Alright, we want to smooth with him? It's smooth with you? Hello? is wrong with you?
Now, a tradition with me, man, every time I go to London, I always hit Camden and I always hit Notting Hill last. Notting Hill may be my favorite place. You know what I mean? If I was ever to move to London, definitely want to move to Notting Hill. You know, that's my favorite spot. And it reminds me of my first trip there. You know what I mean? Like, I always remember first time going to Notting Hill and just thinking like, yo, this is dope, you know? Different than the movie, you know what I mean? Like, watched the movie one time, thought it was whack, came over. But, yeah, that was the end of the trip right there, you know what I mean? Other than that, man, we got on the plane. We was back east. You know, everybody was sad, you know what I mean? But I was about to come back probably like 2 months later. Alright, that sums up my trip to London, man. Yo, had an amazing time like always. Y'all know the next time I go, man, I'm vlogging the whole thing. Only difference now, I got way more family out there now. You know, now I'm going to eat some home-cooked meals other than Nando's and Vapiano's. All the stuff I thought was only in London and actually is in my backyard out here too. But other than that, man, I'm going to see y'all on the next one, alright? Peace.